Sometimes, I wonder if love is not the fire in our chests, but the smoke it leaves behind, the way it curls into our ribs and refuses to leave. I think of you in fragments, your laughter spilling into summer air, your eyes holding secrets I was too afraid to ask. Now, the seasons turn without you, and I walk through them like a ghost in my own skin. I try to love other hands, but they all feel like empty rooms, echoing your absence. If you ever return, you will not find the boy you left, only a shadow who still waits by the window when it rains, hoping the drops might whisper your name back to me.